Hi, you are on the channel Pretty Models. Be sure to watch to the end. Pleasant viewing. Joelle Richardson was born on August 19, 1992 in the United States. She will be 30 on August 19, 2022. Her astrological sign is Leo. Joelle Richardson stands 5 feet 2 inches tall or 157 centimeters, body type, curvy. She has a beautiful blonde hair and brown eyes. Color, marital status, married, nationality, American. Joelle Richardson was born and raised in the United States. She is currently living in Birmingham, Alabama, United States. She is currently married to Jack, who is also a social media influencer. The curvaceous beauty started her modeling career since July 2021. She has partnered with some top brands like Manscaped, Amazon Fashion, Target, Old Navy, Fashion Nova, Target Style, Gymshark, T-Sequin, Fervent Toys and several other brands. On Instagram, the beautiful mom has attracted thousands of followers to her official Instagram account, where she entertains her fans with some beautiful photos and clips. Joelle is also active on TikTok and YouTube, where she has accrued thousands of followers who can't stop admiring her modeling contents.